So each story's got three characters. We've got the hero, the villain, and the princess. And often that's not enough, because we want our story to be longer and we want our story to have a bit more depth. So what we do, we add in supporting characters. Now, supporting characters are exactly that. They're not main characters, they're not extras, they're not anything else. They're there to support. And who do they support? Well, they support either the hero, the villain, or the princess. And you can have supporting characters for the agenda of each of those. Now, if you look at the character wheel, there are 12 different types of characters that we can draw on. We can draw on their emotion, we can draw on what they offer, what they take, and what they build in, often bringing tension or relieving tension, depends on the emotion that you want to add into your story. And it's interesting that the good supporting character to a story, whether it's the sage or the lover or the joker or the rebel, bringing those into your story will add the gravy and the flavor to your story to make it well worth listening to. But on the other hand, too many characters or the wrong character is just an oversalted stew. Not good for anyone. The end.